So fourth graders, here's your next secret for writing, and it is I can write an informational paragraph. So now what we're going to do is this. Well, let's start with reviewing yesterday. So yesterday you learned how to write a topic sentence, and now we're going to write a paragraph. So really, what we're doing with this paragraph is we're just filling this in, and the heading is going to just tell you what your paragraph's about. So my example again is about football. So let's say that one of my paragraphs is going to be about the history of football. So I'm going to write out the history of football. Now, I need to write a topic sentence. So a topic sentence is the first sentence in your paragraph telling you what you're going to write about. So I could say something about this. I'm going to go back and look at my sentence starters. I can use these because it really does introduce what I'm writing about. I could say something about like this. Let's tell you about history. Now for the details, it's just like a word or two that I'm going to write about in the rest of my paragraph. So I know football started with leather helmets, so I might write something about leather helmets. I'll turn this into a sentence later. The second detail could be I know that the first football game was in 1892. And then another detail is Walter. And then I need a fourth detail on the history of football, and I know that has something to do with Harvard. So when I'm writing my paragraph, I'll turn these into actual sentences, and I will show you that next time we do this. So now, here's what it would look like for you. For you, what you're going to do is around. So you're going to have 3 paragraphs. It looks like I forgot to fill in the rest of this rubric. I'll have to do that later. But anyway, one of your paragraphs is going to be what the invention is you're writing about and how it works. How it will help the classroom, and the process you went through to design it. So for what the invention is and how it works, that might be my heading. So I might write my heading here as what the invention is and how it works. If you want to word that differently, feel free to do that. Then I'm going to write my topic sentence here. Then I'm going to tell some details about it. So again, the details are just a word or two. You're going to turn them into sentences later. So our learning target is I can write an informational paragraph. So how we write an informational paragraph is we have a heading, and we're not always going to have headings in informational writing, but in this case we're going to have heading, we have a topic sentences, and we have a word or two that tell us some details about what we